Good evening, Concho Valley. We are tracking a tornado-warned storm in northern Sterling County. So this is north of Sterling City. The new warning does include northern portions of Sterling City at this time. So if you are in northern Sterling City, if you are north of Sterling City on 163, I want you to be taking your tornado precautions right now. That means get to the lowest level of your home, put as many walls between you and the outside world as possible, and cover your head from flying debris. What you're seeing right now are the storm winds. What we're seeing from the radar here in San Angelo is the winds going away from the radar and the winds coming towards the radar. Right in here, this is where we're seeing that potential for a tornado. And yes, we have had a confirmed tornado with this storm, a confirmed tornado. Somebody has observed this tornado on the ground. So that's what we're dealing with right now, is that there is likely a very dangerous tornado associated with this storm. And you can see that little appendage there in the reflectivity towards the Brady area. So I want you to be aware of that we could see up to tennis ball size hail with this. Let's go ahead and see what the radar is actually saying hail-wise for us here as this comes into portions of McCulloch County. Let's get a good analysis here on this. Golf ball size hail, so that is severe limits there. Good evening, Concho Valley. I'm here live at Brown Honda of San Angelo, and we've got to fill this truck right here this week. We've got 1 week to do it with non-perishable food items for the Concho Valley Regional Food Bank. So come on out here and bring your non-perishable food items. Let's get to forecast first right now and take a look at what's going on. We've got really nice weather here in the Concho Valley. It's sitting at 74 degrees.
Don't poke the bear.
Yep,
yeah,
don't poke the bear. He's asleep. All right, Aaron, what can we expect going into tonight?
Well, I think it's going to be bearable for us for the next 7 days. We're going to have
Storm Team Weather. Here's Chief Meteorologist Ayers, sponsored by Big Country Equipment.
The weather we're getting right now is a lot different to what we would usually see around this time of year. A lot cooler.
That's true, and I actually went back and did some research on. I've got the monthly calendar in here, and every day this month has been below average temperature-wise for us so far in July. We'll see if we get any more warm days or warmer days than what we've been seeing. We are going to have some warm days as it remains dry with highs in the low to mid-90s and plenty of sunshine still to come for us as we work our way through the rest of this week and into the weekend. A high of 91 today out of Mathesfield. We average around 97 this time of the year. The record set back last year of 110 degrees. This morning's low of 68. That's below average for us as far as morning lows go as well. Here's that calendar I was just talking about. You can see every day this month so far, July 2021, has been below average. 13 days, add in today, that'll make it 14, and I think we'll even add more to that calendar as we go through the rest of this week and into the beginning of next week. Temperatures right now across the region, it's 90 in San Angelo, 89 over in Brady, 91 down in Junction, 92 in Sterling City, and 90 in Ozona. So we're all in those upper 80s and low 90s across the area as you plan out your Thursday. Starting off the day with temperatures in the 70s with sunny conditions for us across the area. A good time to get out, get the exercise in before 10 o'clock in the morning, because then things start to warm up for us as we go into the 80s as we head towards lunchtime, and then into those 90s as we head into the afternoon. Not a bad afternoon to spend poolside. Just make sure you have that sunscreen on if you are planning to spend time by the pool tomorrow afternoon out in the sun. Otherwise, next 5 days, daytime highs look like this. We're going to be below normal for us just a little bit there as we go into the mid-90s for daytime highs working into next week. Clouds and radar right now across the Lone Star State looks like this. Showers and thunderstorms for the eastern part of the state. Not so for the western portion of the state. Very dry conditions for us. Much sunshine for us as well. As we go through the next high-res futurecast overnight tonight into tomorrow, we're going to see clear conditions overnight tonight into tomorrow. More sunshine, temperatures warming back into those low to mid-90s for us as we go into our Thursday. Our extended futurecast shows more of the same, mostly sunny conditions, highs in those low to mid-90s for us. And then we'll watch as we go into the beginning of next week for a cold front to approach the area and bring some showers and thunderstorms to us as we go Monday night into Tuesday, and that wants to linger around even into the beginning of Wednesday there. So we're going to watch that as we get closer to next week. Tonight we'll drop down to around 72, mostly clear conditions, southeast winds around 10 to 15 miles an hour for our Thursday. Not a bad day. We'll top out near 94 under mostly sunny conditions, south winds of 10 to 15 miles an hour as we go through the next 5 days. Here's what to expect across our region. We're going to continue to see dry weather in the forecast for us rolling through the weekend, and then as we start next week, we're going to be watching for that chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms as we go into Tuesday of next week. Well, more KSAN news right after this.